Welcome to the future of luxury, where nature's most precious golden gift meets the absolute pinnacle of modern robotic precision and sophisticated artificial intelligence systems. Thousands of shimmering golden cocoons travel through a high-tech gateway, ready to be transformed from raw natural wonders into the world's most exquisite and finest threads. Look closely at the intricate structure of this natural wonder, a single thread of gold woven by nature, now waiting for technology's precise and gentle touch. Our high-speed Delta robots perform a complex, choreographed dance, sorting each individual cocoon with incredible speed and microscopic accuracy for the next crucial stage of production. Advanced artificial intelligence analyzes the texture and weight of every single cocoon, ensuring only the most perfect specimens move forward in this journey of excellence. This is where traditional craftsmanship and modern innovation collide, creating a seamless flow from raw natural resource to a masterpiece of human and robotic engineering. The journey begins with a gentle high-pressure mist, softening the natural sericin glue without damaging the fragile silk fibers hidden deep within the golden shell. Precision sensors monitor the water temperature to within 1/10 of a degree, maintaining the perfect environment for delicate fiber extraction and supreme fiber care. Microscopic mechanical brushes rotate softly across the surface, searching for the elusive end of the silk thread with the steady grace and precision of a surgeon. A single strand, thinner than a human hair, emerges from the golden shell, catching the clinical white light of the smart factory floor with ethereal beauty. While multiple strands are gathered together, forming a continuous stream of raw silk that glows with a natural brilliance, signifying the transition from nature to industry. The process is hypnotic and perfectly controlled, as the raw essence of the golden cocoon is pulled into the sophisticated world of high-end industrial production. Enter the heart of the facility, where endless rows of spinning machines create a rhythmic symphony of industrial progress and high-end luxury fashion manufacturing. Thousands of golden silk filaments are twisted together, gaining the necessary strength and durability required for the most demanding high-fashion and luxury textile applications. Watch as the fibers intertwine in slow motion, creating a unified thread that is both incredibly soft to the touch and remarkably strong for weaving. Advanced AI systems monitor the speed and tension of every spool in real time, preventing even the slightest imperfection in the growing, high-strength silk thread. The massive 6-axis robotic arms move with fluid grace, replacing full spools with empty ones without ever needing to pause the high-speed, efficient production line. The visual impact of these glowing threads moving in unison is a testament to the beauty of modern, automated industrial design and manufacturing efficiency. Each thread is now ready, a perfect blend of biological wonder and mechanical perfection, prepared for the complex art of precision digital jacquard weaving. The weaving stage is where the magic happens, as threads are interlaced to create patterns of impossible complexity and breathtaking high-definition visual beauty. High-speed digital needles dance at a dizzying pace, moving with a precision that far exceeds the capabilities of any human hand in the modern age. From beneath the machine, we see the first glimpses of a complex pattern emerging, a digital blueprint brought to life in shimmering golden silk fabric. Every millimeter is a testament to perfection, with digital jacquard technology allowing for raised textures and intricate details that define true high-end luxury. The sheer scale of the operation is breathtaking, a forest of machines working in perfect harmony to produce thousands of meters of flawless, premium silk. Cinematic lighting highlights the natural shimmer of the weave, showing how the light plays across the surface of the developing high-quality luxury fabric. Modern technology allows us to push the boundaries of design, creating motifs that were once considered impossible to achieve in traditional hand-operated weaving. Sensors and robotic adjusters fine-tune the loom's operation every second, ensuring the fabric remains perfectly flat and the tension remains consistent throughout the process. As the raw silk fabric is completed, it moves toward the coloring stage, where it will be infused with vibrant, long-lasting and eco-friendly organic dyes. The silk passes through a closed-loop dyeing system, where eco-friendly pigments are deeply infused into every single fiber for lasting and brilliant color depth. Watch the vibrant hues bloom across the fabric, a controlled explosion of color that is monitored by spectral sensors for absolute consistency and beauty. High-tech laser sensors scan the surface, detecting even the most minute variations in color saturation across the entire width of the premium silk fabric. Polished heated rollers press the fabric, flattening the fibers and creating the iconic high-gloss luster that makes this silk truly world-class and desirable. The surface becomes like a liquid mirror, reflecting light in a way that only pure, high-quality silk can, thanks to this advanced robotic finishing process. Automated rollers guide the delicate material through the drying process, ensuring no creases or marks are left on the pristine, high-value surface of the fabric. The fabric is now incredibly soft and supple, and a result of the perfect balance between traditional degumming and modern, high-precision chemical engineering. The finished roll of silk is a true masterpiece of technology and nature, ready for the final and most rigorous quality control phase. Our zero-defect policy is enforced by 8K AI scanning cameras that detect microscopic flaws invisible to the human eye with perfect, unwavering accuracy. If even a single thread is out of place, the system flags it instantly, ensuring that only the absolute best fabric reaches our global customers. A specialized robotic arm gently folds the silk with the precision of a master tailor, preparing it for its final, high-end luxury presentation and delivery. The fabric is placed into a signature wooden box and sealed with a digital certificate of authenticity, a true mark of quality and luxury. Final packaging uses vacuum technology to protect the silk from the environment, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition anywhere in the world for our clients. From the humble golden cocoon to this masterpiece of technology, experience the silk of tomorrow, where nature and innovation meet in perfect, timeless harmony. See how the fabric moves and flows with a liquid grace, a symbol of timeless elegance redefined for the modern, high-tech industrial age. Every thread tells a story of precision, passion, and the pursuit of excellence. This is the new standard of global, high-tech industrial luxury. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of robotic silk production. Subscribe now to explore more fascinating wonders of modern industry.